Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we are going to explore the meaning of two words that may sound complicated, but are actually pretty simple. Let's start with this word. Can you guess the pronunciation? In American English, this is pronounced as substantive. Substantive. And in British English, it is substantive. Substantive. We will stick to substantive for this video. Now, this word might make you think of something scientific or technical, but it's actually just a fancy way of saying important or meaningful. For example, you could say that was a substantive conversation we just had, or the main point of his argument was substantive. Here's another example. The company's failure to address the substantive concerns of its employees led to a strike. Now, on to our second word, conciliate. Conciliate. This is a fun word to say, and it means to make peace or to soothe someone's anger or hostility. You could say, I tried to conciliate with my friend after our argument. Or, the manager conciliated the angry customer by offering a refund. Here's one more example for you. The mediator helped to conciliate the dispute between the two parties by finding common ground. See? Not so hard, right? These are two great words to add to your vocabulary and impress your friends with. That's it for today's video on exploring substantive and conciliate. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tune in for more tips and tricks on how to improve your language skills. Thanks for watching.